Hey there, everybody. Hope you've been out there riding safely. One of the things I wanted to talk to you guys today about is motorcyclists and the types of injuries that have happened that I've seen recently that you really kind of need to be aware of. Today, for example, we just got a call from somebody who was in a motorcycle accident. It was what seemed to be a minor impact. He had his helmet on. He was doing everything right. However, somebody pulled out in front of him and he struck his head with his helmet on the sidewalk, or actually on the curb, and has suffered what we call a TBI. He was able to talk afterwards and he thought he was fine. There weren't any fractures in his head or anything. However, he started complaining of several things that were telltale signs of a traumatic brain injury. And these are kind of the things I want you to be aware of. If you've been in an accident, no matter how small, no matter how big, please be aware of several things that may be a sign of a traumatic brain injury. And it might be a minor traumatic brain injury, but it's still a traumatic brain injury nonetheless. So be aware of a change in your attitude. A quick change can mean it's a sign of a traumatic injury. Any kind of bleeding out of your ears or your nose could be a sign. Headaches can be a sign. Nausea can be a sign. If you throw up hours after your accident, these are all signs from our experience as attorneys that we've seen time and time again of a potential traumatic brain injury. I'm not telling you that you have one. What I'm saying is that you need to get checked out to make sure you don't have one. Be proactive in those things because no one else is going to listen to your body except for you. Please understand that, ladies and gentlemen. I can't stress how important that is. We urge this young man to go to the hospital, get checked out, make sure he had a CT scan of his head, and then go from there. So please be aware of that if you get in an accident, no matter how big or small. I look forward to talking to you soon. My name is David Salazar. Please join my Facebook group and be safe out on the road, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. If I don't know the answer to something, I will try to point you in the right direction. Thank you guys for listening. We'll talk soon.